The cosmos stretches out before us, an expanse so profound that our minds struggle to grasp its true scale. The vibrant colors of the stellar nursery begin to dim, eventually surrendering to the encroaching darkness. As we gaze into the void, the sheer scale of the cosmos becomes overwhelmingly apparent. Billions of light years away, we find the mesmerizing beacon of a neutron star, a single teaspoon size. Despite its relatively small size, a neutron star is unimaginably dense, dangerous. Here we see the subtle yet profound effect of gravitational lensing, where the star's gravity distorts. As we approach the neutron star, its intense gravitational pull becomes evident, shaping the surroundings. This is a hypergiant, an exceptionally rare class of star. Its luminosity is unmatched. Under immense gravitational forces, the star begins a controlled collapse. The outer layers rush inward. What you are witnessing is a scientifically accurate supernova explosion. The outer layers of the pelvis. As the stellar material rushes outward, propelled by the initial blast, the remaining core begins to contract. The dense core collapses, revealed now as a neutron star. Extremely small in size, yet intensely shrouds. Under extreme gravitational forces, ordinary matter is compressed. Electrons are fibers. Formed from the gravitational collapse of a massive star, the neutron star is one of the densest objects in the universe. Billions of light years away, the remnants of a supernova burn brightly. This is a neutron star. At these distances, even the brightest stars appear as mere points of light. Fixed ahead lies the collapsed core of a massive star, silent and isolated against the backdrop of the cosmos. Barely visible against the void, the intense radiation of the distant neutron star begins to manifest as a subtle, behold the neutron star, its immense gravity distorting the very perception of depth and distance in the void. We continue our approach toward the neutron star, a silent and unmoving anchor in the vastness of deep space. As we advance into the void, the neutron star's glow becomes defined against the deepening darkness of an emptiness. As we make the final approach, the neutron star becomes visually dominant against the endless darkness of the neutron star, a stellar remnant of unimaginable density, bends the very fabric of space-time around it. The camera drifts closer, revealing the subtle yet immense increase in the neutron star's luminosity. Here, gravity is so strong it bends the very fabric of space-time, warping the light of distant stars. As we move closer, the immense gravity of the neutron star begins to warp the very fabric of space around it. Formed from the core collapse of a massive star, the neutron star stands as the densest object. The immense gravity of the neutron star is so strong, it noticeably warps the light of the distant stars, and closer, we witness the controlled intensity of the collapsed star against the emptying void. The immense gravity of the neutron star bends the brilliant light of the accretion disk, concealing the dark core within. The neutron star, the dense remnant of a supernova, pulls us closer with inescapable gravity. As we draw closer, the immense gravity begins to bend the light, warping the stars in the background. Here, near the neutron star, immense gravity visibly warps the surrounding space, bending the light of the background. Maintaining our smooth trajectory, the sheer density of the neutron star becomes apparent. As its gravity below intensifies, the sheer force of its inescapable gravity begins to warp the surrounding space. Only the steady drift of the camera reveals the true scale of the gravitational lensing effect on the stars. Steady forward motion toward the visually dominant darkness of the neutron star. As we approach this stellar corpse, the sheer force of its gravity becomes visible, bending the light of the cosmos around it. As we draw closer to the neutron star, its immense gravity begins to warp the surrounding space-time. Approaching the neutron star, its immense gravity visibly warps the fabric of space-time. Forward drift continues. The neutron star now dominates the frame, showcasing the intense light bending. As the glow intensifies, the sheer force of its gravity becomes inescapable. Behold the singularity, where gravity bends the very fabric of space and time. Behold the collapsed core of a massive star, its immense gravity radiating power across the cosmos. As we make the final approach, the sheer density of the neutron star becomes visually overwhelming. The sheer scale of the cosmos is difficult to comprehend. Here we see the immense gravitational pull and towards. In the immense darkness of deep space, objects like this neutron star remind us of. Here, at the edge of the void, we begin to understand the true vastness of the universe. In the infinite expanse of the cosmos, objects like this neutron star remind us of the sheer scale and power. Space is a canvas of unimaginable vastness, where distances are measured not in miles, but the true vastness of the cosmos is difficult to comprehend, defined by forces beyond our imagining. As we drift closer, the incredible density of the neutron star becomes apparent, a reminder of the universe's limitations. The sheer scale of the cosmos is difficult to comprehend. Behold the neutron star, a cosmic engine of unimaginable density. Its gravity warps the tundra. The sheer scale of the cosmos is difficult to comprehend, dwarfed only by the power jets. The sheer scale of the cosmos is difficult to comprehend, stretching across unimaginable distances. The universe is a canvas of unimaginable scale, where light travels for eons across the vast list. The void between the stars is incomprehensibly vast, a silent ocean where the immense gravitational. The cosmos is a place of unimaginable scale, where even the smallest remnant of stars. In the vastness of deep space, this neutron star spins, emitting beams of unimaginable power. Consider the sheer scale of the cosmos. Around this neutron star, we stand at the precipice of the known universe, where the sheer scale of the cosmos is laid bare. The sheer scale of the cosmos becomes palpable here, where the intense gravity of the neutron star gilds. In the profound silence of deep space, the sheer scale of the cosmos is revealed through the immense. Here in the void, the immense gravity of a neutron star demonstrates the sheer scale and distance. Here lies a neutron star, a testament to the raw and terrifying vastness. In the profound silence of deep space, the immense gravity of a neutron star reveals. Here, near the neutron star, we begin to comprehend the true scale of the cosmos. In the vastness of deep space, gravity creates some of the most extreme phenomena known to science. In the vacuum of space, the immense gravity of this collapsed star creates a lens, magnifying the universe beyond. Consider the sheer scale of the cosmos, where gravity bends even the path of light itself. Here, near the neutron star, we begin to grasp the true emptiness and scale of the void. The sheer density of a neutron star creates immense gravitational forces, visibly warping the light of the distant. Behold the neutron star, a collapsed giant where gravity is so intense it warps the very fabric of space. Consider the sheer vastness of the cosmos, where gravity bends light around these stellar remnants. Here, near the neutron star, we witness the immense and humbling vastness of the cosmos. True vastness of space is revealed only as we move away from the light, drifting deeper into the cosmic void.